You know, I've had a really fun week. I think you guys can see me through the truck. Yeah, that's right. I've had a really fun week, Abby. We have had some amazing planes on the channel, and now today we're gonna unbox my new truck. This is the new, I mean new to us, it's still fairly new, Wraith 1.9.
It's been out, I think, for over a year or so now.
Yeah, and it's been on our radar, but...
It's long overdue.
Yes, and here's why. When we started our channel, well today we're going to do an unboxing, okay? We're going to do just a nice casual hangout with you guys, unboxing and first impressions of this truck. But the important thing is, when we started our channel over 7 years ago, we started with these stupid little short course trucks that were just cheap junk.
We had a good time with them.
Had a great time with them. That got us into the hobby, right?
Yep.
And now, the first Christmas that we had together, we loved the hobby so much that we were like, okay.
Was it Christmas or did I surprise you on Valentine's Day with this?
It was Christmas. We did a Valentine's Day different thing. It was Christmas.
I know I gave you something shortly after on Valentine's Day.
It was Christmas.
I can't remember which it was.
It was Christmas. This was what I got for Christmas, and you remember you got the Armor Raider and the Willie King, which is back there. And so this was my very first hobby grade RC anything other than some planes and stuff when I was growing up, and they were still not that great. So when they released this, it was like a no-brainer. As a matter of fact, I wanted to get the black and green one to match the Wraith and the orange one. Financially, that just doesn't make much sense. So I had to make a choice, and I decided I wanted to go with the one that looked a lot more different than what I have. So to me, I know I should be just tearing into this box and having a good time showing you guys, but this has backstory for me. This means a lot. So it's a no-brainer for this one to be mine.
It's yours.
Abby has a cool RC truck coming to the channel, but yeah, this one is for me, and I am super pumped. Super pumped. So, pow, ka-chunga, let's get in here. A couple stickers to cut through. Not that you're not gonna drive this. This puppy is my new Wraith.
I've hardly ever driven that one.
Hey, you got your trucks, I got mine. We trade off every now and then. Doesn't that look good though? That orange just pops. It looks sweet. This is a ready to run vehicle.
Instructions.
Oh, and you know what?
Baggie of parts.
You know why we decided to pull the trigger on this?
Why?
They recently dropped the price.
Oh yeah, we saw it on sale.
So, and it's like a full-time new low price.
This is a Spectrum STX2 transmitter. It has the speed switch on here.
Oh, this looks so good. This looks
it's
so
like
good.
a matte orange. It's not like shiny or
not
anything.
Glossy.
Yeah.
I like it. The box kind of looks a little glossy. Ooh, that looks nice, you guys. Wow. The hood has like these mad, it looks like skulls or maybe a clown or something.
Everything about this truck is like matte. Like it's very
flat,
good. Paint job. The top of it looks almost like
I should be showing
leathery. Cut it out of the box.
Yeah, we're going. Let's see. I don't see the zip ties there. They must be up underneath. Yeah. I'm really happy, you guys. I've wanted this for a long time, but it seems like there's always something that we put a little bit priority over for the channel. And when they drop the price, what we'll do for you guys, we'll have a link in the description box below if you want to see the new low price.
If it's still there, we ordered this a week or so ago.
It might be sold out. It could be.
I have no idea.
It very well could be. I mean, it made me jump on it.
I just knew when we saw the price drop, time to buy it.
Yeah. Guess what? Got the zip tie cutters.
And I want to say a special thanks to all our patron family, because if you guys were able to make purchases of awesome RCs like this that we personally want on the channel.
We get to share these experiences with everyone because of our patrons.
Yep.
I mean, we sink our own money into it as well, but patron support either softens the blow or sometimes bought entirely because of our Patreon supporters. Thank you guys so much. Hopefully the stickers are an awesome reward for our patrons. Okay, doesn't this look so good?
You want to do that?
It looks scale. Little plastic cover.
This looks leathery. Can you guys tell?
It does. It looks, Abby, check this one.
That one doesn't look leathery. It looks like a sticker.
But it has the same material feel to it.
This one looks like leathery.
It does look like a leather cover.
It's very cool. Very cool.
I've seen because I try not to ruin too much of the fun by looking at like a bunch of other videos online before I pick stuff up. But I think you're gonna like this. How do we? There we go. Hood pops up.
It's always fun.
It looks like there's an engine in there.
I see headlights.
And then the battery mounts on its side.
Did this one come with headlights?
Up here.
Right? It came with the headlights installed?
No, I think we had to install them, didn't we?
No, not on
Did it actually come installed?
It came installed.
Oh, that was right. Your original deadbolt. We installed lights on that. And
yeah,
then
the SCX.
the Easter thing that you're thinking was my
Valentine's Day.
That was my
SCX-10?
Falcon edition. Yeah.
Was it?
Yes, that was it.
Lots of years of giving. I guess that was here at the house, so that would have been way
I
longer.
love that the hood
Well, that was
opens.
a lot longer than that.
Oh, this is
Time flies.
Sweet.
What do you got in there?
I feel like
driver,
you
got a GPS system.
Yeah, one driver. Yeah. I feel like you could add some more weight to the rear of this too.
It looks pretty
There's
light.
a lot of trunk space in there.
Yeah, where's your battery go?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It goes right up here under the hood.
Oh, it goes in the front?
Yeah,
okay,
and
this mounted in the back right here.
People like their crawlers to have that battery mounted in front now. I mean, it's pretty common knowledge. That way when you're climbing, you've got the weight in the front.
So you don't tip back.
Tip back, that's right.
Okay.
And I mean, this is obviously much smaller than the old Wraith.
Yeah, put it side by side. Let's look at it.
That's kind of why I brought the old Wraith out here. I wanted people to see.
I didn't expect it to be smaller, but you are right. It sits lower, not as wide.
Tires are smaller.
The tires actually look like the SCX-10 tube tires a little bit.
It's a 1.9. This is going to be the same size as your brand new Axial Capra.
Okay.
So if you sat the Capra by this, it's probably it's on the Axial shelf.
Have we ran that yet?
Haven't run it.
What is wrong with us?
I'm thinking that we'll probably have 2 separate running videos.
Okay.
And then people really enjoyed, or at least what people said, they really enjoyed when we had GoPros on each of our hats. And we were flying the planes together. So I think it'd be really fun for me to drive my 1.9, good memories. You drive your Capra, because it was about the same size.
I claimed the Capra because of your Wraith.
Yeah. Yep. I don't want to run.
You're back ahead of me. Owning Axials. Although I have 2 SCX-24s, new SCX-24s, not the one. Can you even see that one back here?
Little Jeep.
I don't know if it's in the shot.
It's probably small back there.
I have 2 more coming. Pretty excited.
I love Axial stuff, near and dear to my heart, just because it's one of the first nice vehicles, and we ran the snot out of this. I mean, you and I...
At the apartment, like, every day.
Yep.
We like to go for walks when we lived in the apartment, and this was always the sidekick.
It had the old Tamiya plug, the square circle, and I still have because I couldn't solder or anything, I have this little Tamiya plug. I still am horrible at soldering. Tamiya to Dean's plug. That is my very first converter adapter I've ever bought. Probably bought that at a hobby shop.
He probably made that for you.
I'd say so.
Guy.
Yep, he was soldering and he charged me like $2 to solder it. Jeremy or something, whatever. Look, the antenna's sticking out of the hood on this.
Yeah.
Oh, ugly compared to, and this, I think the straw in here was longer, the tube.
Maybe.
And I rolled it so much that it snapped it. Ain't gonna do that on this.
You should just tuck that down inside.
Yeah, I should. I'm not going to though, because that's how the hood of this truck is so scale. The grill and everything up on the hood, it looks really...
Are those real lights?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
No, those are not. These, look, these right here. There's no lights, but there's holes for them.
She's talking like the
like blinker kind of things.
I guess they'd be blinkers.
They're kind of like fog lights.
Yeah.
So the big circles have the lights, but the rectangles
I'm happy.
don't.
I like that Axial is putting lights on their trucks out of the box now. I can see the receiver in there, the ESC motor, of course.
I like that color.
I'm happy.
Glad you got that one.
I was worried. I thought I really should have got the black and green because it'll match this one, right? What would you have done if you had the original Wraith and it's this paint scheme, and they came out with 2, which I love that they gave you the option? Would you have gone with the same paint scheme because they'd be sitting beside each other, or would you go with what I did and get the complete opposite? Bright orange, stands out almost, and that doesn't even look like the same truck, except like I'm pretty sure the top here is completely interchangeable, and maybe parts of the...
No, that's way bigger.
Is it? Yeah.
Yeah, it's way bigger.
Same shape though. Same shape, and like the roll bar.
It's very cool.
Pretty similar. I'm really happy.
Cool.
I'm really happy. This is a happy addition to the collection for sure. Okay, guys, all this good stuff will be linked in the description box below. If this thing is just making you drool like it did with me, there is a new low price on it. I can't even remember how much it dropped, but the price dropped, and that was enough for me to pull the trigger. If that's enough for you to pull it too, we'll also have batteries and a charger linked in the description box below. What we would recommend, what we'll be running on. You know, we've learned a lot over the last 7 years. Still have a ton of stuff to know, but we do know what batteries work, which ones don't work, and where you really should spend your money. We love those Spectrum Smart batteries. Before you go though, I want to say a huge thanks to all these names scrolling by and the names in our description box below, and anybody and everybody that's part of our sticker loyalty program, because without you guys, we couldn't do this awesome content so regularly. You're the best. Before you click away completely, you know what? We should pull up one of our old Wraith
Oh
videos.
snap!
Let's go back in time 7 years. We'll see you there. Thanks for watching.
Gosh! Bye! Oh, I'm sorry you guys have to go watch that.